Center. Push. Nice one. Center. Push. Nice one. Center. Push. Good job. Push. Good job. Center. Nice one. Sapa. Last two. Last one. Oh, okay. Okay. Clean area. Clean area. Okay, take the speed. Okay, good job, Renzo. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. Good job. Okay. Good job. Touch. Center. Right foot forward. Right foot forward. Right foot forward. Okay, again. Block, pivot. Touch. Right foot forward. Pivot. Touch. Center. Touch. 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 Pivot. Touch. Okay. Center, relax. Relax. Okay. Our first day, I want you to get your knuckle. Get your eyes. Last one will be right. So, for this sport, it will be Timothy, the first one to perform, followed by Ella, and will be Natalika. Okay. So, again, so you have to file up 10 pieces of chocolate cups. You can use the used one on the basket. File up first. So everyone should file up and then put file up all the chocolate cups on the side. So one set, we have 10 chocolate cups. Okay? So the first one we will do is Miss Joy, and then the rest will be staying at the back. Okay, we have Nathan and Renzo. Go there. And then we have Timothy here, Ella, and Natanika on that side. Okay. All you have to do, the one who will perform will do this. Okay? And then Renzo, since Nat will be the second one to perform, and then Ella will be the next one. All you have to do is to hold the 10 sets of chocolate cup. And then you will be here, and all you have to do is to throw the kettle cup. First on, we have the right, and we have the left. Okay? Do not just timing the tempo. Okay? But this will be the upper one. Okay? Here we have here 4 cones. All you have to do is to jump both sides, holding your racket. Jump. Here is center, and then start with the right. Right. Go back to the center. We have left. Go back to the center, and then front. Get it now? Again. From here, jump, legs, front, and then start with the right. Right, and then center again. Go back left, and then center, and then forward. Now, okay, not any the sample. Okay, here. Okay, and then this one. Right side. There we go. Okay, and then 10 shuttle cups. We have 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after that one, so since not will be able to perform next, we will go here. And Miss Joy will go at the back. And then Renzo, all you have to do is to collect all the shuttle cups, the number cups. Okay, ready for the next? You want to perform. Get it now? So I want you to file up 10 shuttle cups per set. Okay, do not do this one. Okay, extend your legs and your arms. Okay? Ready, go. That's it. That's it. Okay. That's it. Good job, right side. Okay. Next. Okay. Set, go. Center, right. Center, left. Good job. Okay, go. Good job. Next one. Good job, Aya. Good. That's it. Good job. That's it. Nice one, Aya. Renat. Okay, center. Go, Renat. Go hard. Go, 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 go. Baik, baik. Okay. Do not. Ganito. And then this one. Okay? Minor. Okay. Okay? Not this one. Not this one. Okay, here. Sorry. Okay? Okay. Ready? Go. Center. Center. Okay, good job. Good job. Good job, Tatanika. Bakal. That's it. Good job. Oh, wait. Right foot forward. Okay? Do not do like this. Right foot forward. Okay, go. Right. Good job. Okay, there you go. Again. Reset. Okay, jump up. Right foot. Good job. Center. Right side. Good job. Center. Left side. Center. Front. Good job. Here, right side. And then, approach one. Okay? Okay, ready? Go. Walk. Again. Here. All you have to do is to do like this. Right foot forward. Do like this. Okay, again. Here. Go. Do not step from the pole. Ready? Ready? Here is one. Ready? Okay? And then, again, follow me. Have right foot forward, push. Right foot forward, up. This one. That's it. Okay? That, push. This one is pointing there. Push, and then go back. And then, this one. Okay. Maybe do this. Okay. Okay. Ready? Wider. Ready? Go. Walk. Right foot forward. Forward. This one. Okay? This one. Here. Right foot forward. Push. Okay? Okay, we start from here. Bakal mo lang. Right side here. Push. All of this. This side. Okay? No. Here. This one. Push. Okay? We start from here. Okay? Alright. Ready? Push. That's it. Again. Go center. Push. That's it. Center again. Push. Good job. 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 Center again. Push. Center again. Push. Nice one. Okay. Reset. Forward. Okay. Go. Push pa, ma'am. Okay, push pa. That's it. Good job. Push pa. That's it. Push pa. That's it. Push pa. Good job. Push pa. Nice one. Push pa. Okay. Push. Good job. Ready, Nat? Okay. Next one. Ready, jump. Forward. Ready, Nat? Okay. Push. Okay. Right side. Push. Push pa. Push. That's it. Harder pa. Push. Here pa. Push pa. That's it. legs, extend. Okay? Okay, so, ready, go, jump. Right, center, left, center, front. Ready here? Okay, wider, wider, wider. Ready, push. Okay, good job, center, ready, push. Good job, center. Ready, push. Good job, center, 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 center. Push. Okay, center, push. Good job, center, push. That's one, center.
Nice,
push.
nice.
Next one, go back, center, push, center, push. Next one, center, push. Next one, center, push. Good job, center, push. Good job, center. Nice one. Apa, last two. Last one. Oh, okay. Okay, clean the area. Clean the area.
Cute.
Okay, only the right forward. We have push forward, push this one, push forward one, and then back side. And we have clear shot, and then you do the clear shot. Okay, sample. Okay, lang. But the rest, stay on the side. Out from the court. Elang muna.
Feel your shot.
Walk, walk. Ready. Push. Okay. Backward. Clear shot, clear shot, clear shot. Okay, clear shot means high arc. Going up again. Center. Go back. Okay. Push. Go back. Oh, again. Automatic ka na. Pagtapos mo dito, atas ka na kaagad. Okay? Atas ka na kaagad. Okay. Ready. Drive. Okay, good job. Clear shot. Okay, then go back. Go, go, go. Drive. Okay, clear shot. Okay, drive. That's it. Clear shot. Clear. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Drive. Push. That's it. Atas na. Yan. Clear shot. Pataas. Sige, push. Go, go, go. Push. Okay. Atas na. Okay. Sige, push. Push forward. Balik ka agad. Okay. Ikot sa likod. Okay. Clear shot. Okay. Forward. Tumatak forward ka agad. Okay. Push sa likod. Clear shot. Tamaan mo. Tamaan mo. Okay. Shot. Okay. Push. Push. Okay, shot. Oh, release. Next. Push up. Push. Oh, do not hit above under. Push means here. You need to push forward, not here. Okay? Okay. Push. That's it. Go back.
Aywa.
Okay, push. Push. That's it. Go back. That's it. Push. Okay, go back. Okay, push. That's it. Go back. That's it. Push. Okay, next. Same thing. Yeah. Push forward. That's it. Good job. Smash. Oh, smash. This one. Okay, you can smash if you want. Okay. Again. Push forward. That's it. Back. That's it. Good job. Forward. Push. Back. Nice one. Push. That's it. Back. That's
Aywa.
it. Push. Good job.
Nice, team.
That's it. Okay. Push. That's it. Likod. Okay. Balik sa front. Okay. Balik sa front. Push. Okay, sa likod. Again. Here. Do this one. This one. Diba? Okay? Here, automatic. When you push here, automatic go back na. Okay, then guys, after pushing, go back. na. Stop na. Sige. Smash.
You can smash that.
Smash mo. Baka naman. Sige, baba. Sige, ready. Push forward. That's it. Likod na. Sige. Smash. Okay, push forward.
It's okay, it's okay.
Push forward. Okay, sige. Smash.
Aywa.
Next. Enzo. Enzo muna. Enzo, come here. Come here. And then, wait for the shuttlecock, and then, hit. Okay? Ready. Forward.
Go, Lorenzo.
Okay. Ready. Push. Okay, go back. That's it.
Diba?
Okay. Here. Come here. We have push and this one. Okay, and then kick. Okay? Okay. Come here. Come on. Ready? Push. Okay, go back. Okay, ready? Push.
Aywa.
Forward. Push. Ahead. Backward. Ready? Push. Forward. Ready? Push. That's it. Backward. Ready? Push. That's it. Forward. Ready? Push. Okay. Backward. Ready? Push.
Hey. Good job.
Yes. Good. Ready? Push. Sorry. Ready? Push. Likod mo. Yan. Okay, push. Push. That's it. Likod na kagad. Okay, smash. That's it. Push. Likod na kagad. That's it. Good job. Push. That's it. Likod na kagad. Good job. Push. That's it. Likod na kagad. That's one. Next. Okay, diba? Side. Okay, push. Okay, backward. Smash. Oh,
Down.
backward sa taas. Okay, push. Okay, backward. Okay, push. Okay, backward. Okay, push. Backward. Okay. Enjoy. Backward. Stay backward. Ready? Hit. Oh! It's the leg. Push forward. Yeah, push forward. Push forward. And then move up. Hit. And then push forward. Okay. Ready? Push forward. Backward. Ready? Hit. Okay, push forward. Forward here. Ready? That's it. Backward. Ready? Okay, wait, forward. Push. Okay. Again. Okay. Okay. Water. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice, 7, okay, 8, 9, last one, 10.
Yay! okay. Yeah, thank you.